This is a carrot. This is a carrot. This is a potato. This is a potato.
This is
A hat potato.
This is a tomato. This is a tomato. This is a tomato.
This is a cucumber. This is a cucumber. This is a pie cucumber. This is spinach. This is spinach. This is a cabbage. This is a cabbage. This is a pumpkin. This is a pumpkin. This is corn. This is corn. These are peas. These are peas.
This is garlic. This is garlic.
This is ginger. This is ginger. This is a radish. This is a radish.
This is a beetroot. This is a beetroot.
This is a cauliflower. This is a cauliflower. This is an eggplant. This is an eggplant. This is a zucchini.
This is a zucchini.
This is lettuce. This is lettuce.
This is celery.
This is celery.
This is asparagus. This is asparagus.
This is a mushroom. This is a mushroom. This is a sweet potato. This is a sweet potato. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper. This is a bell pepper.
This is a leek. This is a leek.
This is an artichoke. This is an artichoke. These are Brussels sprouts. These are Brussels sprouts.
This is a turnip. This is a turnip. This is okra. This is okra.
This is kale. This is kale.
This is a butternut squash. This is a butternut squash.
These are green beans.
These
These are green beans. This is a chili pepper. This
is
a chili and pepper. This is a spring onion. This is a cray's spring white onion.
This is a parsnip. This is a parsnip.
This is broccoli. This is broccoli. This is an onion. This is a hearty onion.